Hello guys, good morning. It's already too late. I usually wake up at 5:30 or 6 and today it's already 7 o'clock. I usually like to keep my windows open so as to get sunlight. So let's start with our studies. Oh my god, I forgot. I need to have tea first. Who else loves to have tea or coffee in the morning? I cannot even imagine to start my day without a cup of tea. So let's have tea and then start with our studies. I start with reading newspapers. I usually read editorials and also read yawn essays because it improves our reading speed and that is also required for the CAT examination. And what about you guys? Which newspapers do you read? And please do suggest something to me. It will be very helpful. So now I'm doing quadratic equations of quants and I find it really difficult. I don't know, I'm very weak in quants. Now I'm doing data interpretation and after that I will have my breakfast. I'm having pomegranate and orange for my breakfast today. Now I will solve the remaining questions of data interpretation and then I will have to do the class. Who else love to munch while studying? I really need something to eat during my class. Such a beautiful weather today and I couldn't stop myself from going outside. And then who doesn't love to have Maggie in this weather? So let's have some Maggie. And for those who must be thinking that how I'm having Maggie in my lunch, actually I have already completed my lunch and this is my snacks. Around 4 o'clock I'm having this. Actually I forgot to film my lunch, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video please do like, subscribe and comment, and please do comment what changes I need to make because these are my initial days of making the videos. So thank you so much.